Welcome back to the lab. Look at this image. It was painted by an artificial intelligence in seconds. You talk to chatbots and they answer like humans. AI is changing the world right now. But here is the spooky question. How does a box of metal and silicon think? Is it magic? Is it conscious? No, it is just massive amounts of math inspired by your brain. Today, we are going to open up the black box of AI. We will look at neural networks and explain how computers learn just like a child does, through trial and error. To understand AI, we must understand the old way of programming. In traditional coding, humans write strict rules. For example, if it has whiskers and pointy ears, then it is a cat. This works for simple things. But what about a tiger? It has whiskers too. You would need millions of rules for the real world. It is impossible. So, engineers changed the approach. Instead of programming the computer what to do, they built a structure that can learn what to do. They copied biology. Your brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons. They are connected in a massive web. When you see something, electrical signals travel through this web. AI uses artificial neural networks. Imagine layers of tiny digital switches. The first layer is the input. The last layer is the output. And in between, there are hidden layers that do the thinking. Let's simplify this. Imagine we want the AI to tell the difference between a dog and a cat. We show it a picture. The picture is broken down into pixels and fed into the first layer. Here is the secret. The connections between the layers are not equal. Some are strong, some are weak. Think of them like volume sliders on a music mixer. We call these weights. The signal travels through these sliders. The hidden layers look for features. One layer might look for edges, the next looks for ears. Finally, they vote at the output layer. Is it a dog or a cat? But here is the catch. When a neural network is born, it is stupid. All the sliders are in random positions. If you show it a dog, it might guess cat with 90% confidence. This is where training begins. We show it the dog. It guesses cat. We tell the system, wrong, bad AI. The system then calculates how wrong it was. It goes backward through the network and slightly adjusts the sliders. It turns down the cat sliders and turns up the dog sliders. It does this millions of times with millions of pictures. Slowly, gradually, the sliders get into the perfect positions. The AI is not understanding the dog. It is just optimizing the math to get the right answer. So AI is basically massive trial and error at lightning speed. It is a mirror of our own learning process. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Complex 101. See you in the lab!